In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dramatic style image in Grok. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Once the page loads, look for the prompt box. This is where you'll type what you want Grok to create. Click inside the box so it's active. You can paste a prompt you've prepared or type it from scratch. To get a truly dramatic look, we're going to use a structured prompt. Think of it as a simple recipe. Subject, emotion, environment, lighting, camera, and quality. This keeps your idea focused and gives the model clear artistic direction. Start with the subject and emotion to set the story. Then add the environment to place your subject in a believable scene. Next, describe lighting because drama lives in contrast. Mention things like dramatic lighting, deep shadows, or rim light. Add camera details to control perspective. Lens choices and depth of field make a huge difference. Finally, specify quality notes like ultra-realistic or cinematic color grading, and include an aspect ratio if you need a specific frame. Here's a complete example you can use as is or adapt. Close-up of a man with a serious expression, rain falling on his face, dark background, dramatic lighting, deep shadows, high contrast, 85mm lens, shallow depth of field, ultra-realistic, cinematic color grading, 16.9. Notice how every phrase adds clarity without turning into a long paragraph. When your prompt looks good, press enter to send it. Grok will generate the image right away. Give it a moment to process, then review the result. If the mood feels close but not quite intense enough, you don't need to rebuild the whole prompt. Next, control the mood with a short refinement. Add dark cinematic tone to your existing prompt or as a follow-up message, then send. This cue strengthens contrast, shifts the color grade toward moody hues, and tightens the overall atmosphere without changing your subject. You should see a stronger visual impact immediately. If highlights are too bright or shadows too soft, keep your edits brief and intentional. Adjust one idea at a time so you can tell what changed. Small targeted phrases help Grok stay on style and on story. And that's it. Go to Grok, write a focused dramatic prompt using the recipe, submit, then refine the mood with dark cinematic tone to land that bold cinematic feel.